In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Notion. Deleting a database is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so you don't accidentally lose important information. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to look out for, so you can remove a database you no longer need with confidence. First, open Notion and navigate to the page that contains the database you want to delete. This might be a full-page database, like a table or board that fills the entire screen, or it could be a database that's nested inside another page as a block. Make sure you've selected the correct database, because once it's deleted and eventually cleared from the trash, the data cannot be recovered. Now, move your mouse over the top right corner of the database. You should see an icon with 3 dots, usually arranged vertically. This is the options menu for that database. If you're on a full-page database, you'll see these 3 dots in the top right area of the page. If it's an inline database inside a page, hover over the database block itself, and the 3-dot menu will appear near the top right of that block. Click on those dots to open the database options. When you click the 3 dots, a menu will drop down or pop up with several choices related to that database. Things like properties, layout, filters, and more. In this list of options, look for the one labeled Move to Trash. This is the command that removes the database from your workspace and sends it to the trash, rather than deleting it permanently right away. Go ahead and click on Move to Trash. As soon as you do this, the database will disappear from that page and it will be placed in your workspace as trash. If you changed your mind, you can go to the trash section in Notion shortly afterward and restore it, as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted yet. That's all there is to it. To quickly recap, open the page with your database, click the 3-dot menu next to it, and choose Move to Trash. This method works for most types of databases in Notion and is the safest way to remove a database you